Hi folks, we are selling a pallet full of brand new in the box Krueger grills and registers. Most of them are 12 by 6. You can see here, I've got one out of the box right here. These are good quality metal OBD, opposing blade damper, something like that. And some 8 by 6s. Brand new, nothing wrong. This is just not our field and want to get rid of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 100, 110, 120, plus what's on top here. There's probably at least 150 brand new dampers here, folks. No problems. It's going to be a great deal for whoever gets it. There's the 8 by 6s. Here's the 12 by 8s. I'm sorry, 12 by 6. Thanks for your